friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Dent coin. What's the current price of Dent coin, what surprises occur, and in this video I'm talking about the very latest update. Absolutely be safe from loss and keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new in my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways friends, let's see the price of the Dent coin in the market. That is the latest price, my friends. That is the latest price in the market. 0.003967 USD dollar is the currently price of the Dent coin in the market friends. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour price change as positive, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occurs in a Dent coin as negative. It's only and only the last 1 hour price change as positive friends. In the last 1 day, last 1 week price change as going negative friends. So that's mean that the Dent coin start moving upward only in the last 1 hour. In the previous time, as you already know, if you are a holder of Dent coin, that the Dent coin has fast down from a previous last 1 week friends, and now the last 1 week price change is still negative friends. So I hope now this time the last 1 hour price change is positive, so I hope that this step will continue for a long time friends. As you can see here now on the screen, that is my friends the last 1 day price chart of the Dent coin friends. As you can see here, this time 24 hours price chart friends. If we look the current situation of the Dent coin, so currently they gradually start moving upward, and that's good news that the Dent coin again start moving upward. So hope they will continue for a long time. And on the basis of technical analysis, my prediction about Dent coin is that I'm 100% sure. I believe that Dent coin goes to hit a 0.01 USD dollar friends. The Dent coin is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately now in the previous week the price has gone wrong friends. As you can see here, if you look at the previous time change occur in the Dent coin, so the previous fast down, and after fast again take down, and again fast down friends. So the previous change is not good, but I think now this time they goes better friends. Anyways, if you look the price series occur in the last 1 day is 29.77% negative. Negative mean fast down occur in the price with a percentage of 29, and the highest price is 0.005648 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dent coin in the market friends. So personally my recommendation, my suggestion for all of Dent coin holders is that it's time to hold. For instance, if you decide to sell Dent coin, so absolutely you are in the loss, because as you know the previous last 1 week pricing as negative. So if you decide to sell Dent coins, absolutely you are in the loss friends. And if you decide to hold Dent coins, so maybe in the future they again take a jump, maybe in the future they start moving upward, so absolutely you have any profit if you decide to hold friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Dent coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.